Here we are today, November 7th, 2021. Short video on my 1985 Kawasaki GPz 750 Turbo. I've owned this bike for, oh gosh, probably 15 years. A lot of modifications. Some of them were done from my old friend Mike Chestnut, who passed away. Some of them from Roger Twito, and some of them from Brett Black, and some of them myself. So she's got an 810 kit in it. We've done some head work. It's got millimeter larger exhaust valves, a lot of powder coating. Clutch has been reworked. It's got a Migura clutch on it, new dampeners, oil mod, oil pan mod, Dyna coils, a dial boost. It's got a custom made intercooler on it, progressive springs, fork brace, EBC, everything that you see black is either painted or has been powder coated. Those are the larger intercooler tubes, ceramic coated headers. Charlie Brown has done the turbo and his unbelievable modifications with that. Gone for the shorty 2-inch exhaust, carbon fiber single-sided swing arm or carbon fiber wheel, custom made single-sided swing arm. You can see the larger tubes, Pingo fuel petcock, GPz 1100 throttle bodies, blow-off valve, Zx7 mirrors, new paint, all LED in the back tail light. It's got a shift light on it, boost gauge, fuel gauge. You can see that is the original brake master cylinder, and that is the original miles, 18,000 miles. She also has a quick shifter on it for clutchless upshifts. It's a stout bike. I've had C16 race fuel in it and pushed 24 pounds of boost on it. It's got a 180 tire on the back. My buddy right now is working to put the matching front carbon fiber wheel on it. He's working on the front end setup on it as we are speaking now. So we're going to give her a start.